Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Blackboard account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Blackboard account, first open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, go ahead and type in signin.blackboard.com and press enter on a keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to this page. Here you'll be able to see your sign-in area for Blackboard Learn. Go ahead and enter your username in the first text box and head over to the next field to type in your password. After filling in your details, click the sign in button and you'll be able to log into your Blackboard Learn account. Blackboard's accounts are created by your university or school. In order to access your account, you'll need to use your university or your school given username and password. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.